With air travel soaring, competition inside airports is also picking up. Ground handlers like SATS are fighting hard to get contracts. This week on Managing Asia, we check in with CEO Alex Hungate. The rain didn't dampen the spirit of Alex Hungate. The CEO showed me the action behind the scenes at SATS, Singapore's biggest airport ground handler and caterer.
You can see the driver now. It's a big piece of machinery, very powerful engine. So to have hands-free is very important. And he can check the ULD labeling, the augmented reality. So of all of these different ULDs which are on the runway, these are the ones which he knows are for his flight. So very quickly he can see them. Much safer, much more
How
productive.
long does it take to load up, usually, typically?
We turn the whole thing around in 30 minutes now. It used to take a bit longer, so this is a good improvement. Just two main doors. It's the same main deck loader will service both. If it's an A380, you can talk about 5 doors, and you've got 2 main deck loaders working.
So these are your people, and from your glasses, you can see all this through your glasses, and you would be able to load everything in.
Yeah, and the control room as well can also see, which is great.
Breaking out of the box, Hungate hacked the status quo by loading SATS up with the latest tech, like smart glasses to speed up operations.
Well, you can see the vision here on the screens of what they're seeing through the glasses. As they view the ULDs on the runway, it will automatically, using color coding, tell them which ULDs are due for their flight and which ULDs they shouldn't touch and leave alone. This is very important because each one weighs different amounts. So our load control team is making sure the plane is balanced. If you put a heavy one in the place where a light one's meant to be, of course, that can be a safety issue. So this is a fail-safe method where this loading plan here...
And this is what you see on your glasses?
Yes, this loading plan here tells them where they need to place their next container. And that is scientifically the result of our load control team doing a weight and balance analysis of the plane.
So obviously it cuts down on paperwork, it cuts down on loading time?
Yes, loading time is critical because sometimes if a connecting plane doesn't make it, the passenger load is different than what the original planner thought. So in this method, immediately the load control can adjust in real time and say, okay, this container, which would have been there, now needs to go one back to compensate for that. And this is all real time. In the old days, they would have to get a new piece of paper. They go back to control room, new piece of paper on the clipboard, and then start again.
He won CNBC's Asia Disruptor of the Year award in 2017, recognized for his efforts in cracking the code.